In a warm living room, a shaggy cat was lying leisurely on the sofa. His eyes were half closed, enjoying his rest. However, suddenly, the master came with a small doll in his hand. The doll is moved around in front of the cat, touching its ears, even tickling its feet. The cat at first just stared lazily, but the harassment continued. The master became increasingly nosy, playing with the doll near his face. Slowly, the cat's tail began to wag, a sign that he was getting annoyed. Finally, the cat's patience ran out, trying to snatch it from its master's hands. The master laughed, while the cat looked at him with an annoyed look, before lying back down, as if to say, "Don't bother me anymore."